Stitch number 01 and stitch number 14 on the Singer Featherweight C240 sewing machine are triple straight stitches and triple zigzag. So what is nice about these stitches? Let me show you. So 01, usually I just let it start at the default setting. I have the fabric folded on the bias so I can show that this is actually a stitch that can stretch. You'll love the look of it. It's going to have a nice heavy look. It's also great if you need to reinforce anything. So it's 2 stitches forward, 1 stitch back. All right, that will give us, look how pretty it is. It makes it look like you actually sewed with much thicker thread. So if you ever need some top stitching thread, you can just pick one of your own spools, pick the triple straight stitch, and all of a sudden it looks 3 times as thick because that is 3 stitches on each stitch. And look, it goes also back into the exact hole that it previously stitched. The stretch, nice and strong, plus it has the give, so it is considered a stretch stitch as well. Stitch number 14, the triple zigzag, will be one. Let's just stitch it at its default settings. This almost could be used decoratively, but it's definitely a reinforced zigzag because it's 3 stitches for every time it stitches. We could also lengthen this out a little bit, and let's see here, can we make it wider too? Oh my goodness, we can go all the way up to 7 millimeters wide, and I made it just a little bit longer. So this almost looks like a rick-rack stitch too. This would be fun with some variegated threads, and you really can see how nice that looks. Also a stretch stitch, but if you are ever really needing to reinforce something, you're stitching something over that you never want it to come apart, check out stitch 14, that triple zigzag stitch.